laying out your plates and drilling the holes, you want to make sure that the larger plate that goes under the bed clears any cross members and fits flush up against the bottom of the bed. Once you verified that, you can then set where your top plate is going to be. We reference off the front of the bed and we measure to the holes. In this particular case, Ford Raptor, the holes are 6 inches from the front of the bed. So before you drill your holes, double check that your lower plate is going to fit at the bottom of the bed. It's easier with 2 people. Here's the plate installed. With the hardware. That's what your finished part's going to look like. We use a framing square. We line it up with the bed rails, square it with the bracket before we drill the holes, and even when we tighten it down, it does help hold the bracket square to the bed. Then you will take the cage, slide it in until the front feet go under the front 2 plates. You'll take one of the top rear plates and make sure that you line up the pinhole with the hole in the foot. Use a square again to make sure that you are getting your plate straight, and then drop your bolts in. Again, making sure that your lower plate under the bed clears everything. Once you have mounted the top rear plate, you'll then drill a hole through the bed using the hole in the top plate to put your drill bit through. Remember, the front plates do not have holes in the middle, just the rears. And the lower plate also has a hole, so that when those 2 plates are sandwiched together, you'll be able to take your pin and drop it through. So the foot of the cage comes in, has a hole in it. The hole in that cage lines up with these holes, and you drop the pin in.